Hi everybody, we're going to start with crayons today, so get your crayons. And I want to talk about what a closed shape is. This shape I just made is an open shape. The line doesn't go back to where it started. But in this shape I'm about to make, the line goes all the way back and closes the shape off. Now these are organic shapes. They might not look like shapes that you usually recognize, like circles and squares. Circles and squares, triangles and rectangles are what's called geometric shapes. Organic shapes are different. They're kind of like blobs. Everybody stand up. We're going to make some shapes with our bodies. First, geometric shapes like a square, a circle, a triangle, regular geometric shapes, and a rectangle. Now we're going to make some organic shapes. Blech. They're weird. Blech. All shaped weird. Blech. Like a blob. Blech. 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 Now geometric square, geometric circle, geometric triangle, geometric rectangle, and now back to organic. Blech. 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 So organic shapes are more like blobs, while geometric shapes are kind of like the shapes you know, like circles and squares and triangles and rectangles. Now let's start making some art. We're going to make two of a bunch of different kinds of shapes. First, I'd like you to make two closed organic shapes that are kind of like blobs. You can change colors anytime you want to during this. Your artwork's going to be more interesting if you change colors a lot. Now let's make some squares. Squares are shapes that have four different sides. You can make them big or small. Put them wherever you want on your paper. Change colors a lot. Now let's make two big round circles. Again, you can make them big or small. It's okay to make shapes that go right over other shapes too. Now let's draw three triangles. Triangles are a shape with three sides. Remember, it is okay to go over your other shapes. And it is okay to make some big and some small. Make them different colors. Fill up your page. It just makes your art way more interesting. The last shape we're going to do is a rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided shape, kind of like a square, except in a rectangle, two of the sides are longer than the other two sides. In a square, they're all the same. Now we are going to add some lines to our artwork. I'm going to start with straight lines. Can you make a straight line? Do that with me right now. You can do more than one if you'd like. Why don't you grab a new color of crayon? And we're going to make a curved line. Can you make a curved line? Try it right now. You can do more than one again. How about a wavy line? Can you make a wavy line? It goes up and down and up and down and up and down. Can you make a zigzag line? Zigzag, 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 zigzag. You can change colors. You can put them in different spots. Remember to fill up your page. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. That looks good to me. We are going to color them after that, but this is the first part. I think you guys did a good job making your shapes and your lines.